Okay, good morning, everyone. Our lesson today is revision about for final exam for grade 10 general. Okay, the question here, how to find to add two expression as you see here. Um, 2h square minus 5h plus 7h minus 3h square. How to solve this? It's easy. We have here plus, don't change anything. Be careful about this note. It's very important. Here, as you see, this is the same. 2h square minus 5h, okay, plus, this is h, be careful not b, plus 7h minus 3h square. If look here for the expression, look to the similar term. As you see here, 2h square here minus 3h square. What the answer is? The answer is, as you see here, negative h square. Okay, also, as you see here, negative 5h plus 7h, the answer is 2h. This is the final answer. How to how the question comes in the final exam as MCQ, multiple choices question, A, B, C, D. As you see here, to select the correct answer, maybe here 2h minus h square, 2h plus h square, okay, 3h minus h square, h square plus 2h. Which one is right? Okay, the first one is right. Okay, because the same. This is the same. This is the answer. Negative h square, this is negative h square plus 2h. Okay, that's it. Let me give you also another example or another question for this. As you see, here I think maybe we can take another expression for question 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 31. Okay, I will give you this question, then I will explain step by step how to solve it. This question, as you see here, x squared minus y, x squared y minus 3x squared plus y. This is the first expression. The second is expression also here, 3y minus 2x squared y. How to solve it? Also, if look here, the signal between them, the between two expression is add or addition or plus. That's mean don't change anything here. This is x squared y minus 3x squared plus y plus 3y, okay, minus 2x squared y. Here, look to the similar question as, similar terms. This is x squared y. This is minus 2x squared y. The answer is, I think, negative x squared y. Excellent. Here, as you see also, we have two terms are similar. Y plus 3y. This is equals plus 4y. And also here, this term, we don't have any similar, so leave it as it is. Okay, negative 3x squared, this is the answer. The question comes in the final exam as a multiple choice or MCQ, A, B, C, D. Maybe here the answer 4y plus 3x squared minus x squared y, or 4y minus 3x squared minus x squared y, or 4y plus x squared y minus 3, 4y plus x squared y plus 1. Which one is right? I think here B. 4y, this is 4y minus 3x squared minus 3x squared minus x squared y. This is the answer. Be careful about this, how to select the correct answer. Don't select rapidly, okay? Be careful about this. Excellent. Okay, let's move the next question. Also here, maybe we can take the last question, how to subtract two expressions, as you see here in this question. How to solve this? It's easy, but here is different. The last two questions. The signal here is minus, subtract. Okay, all these signals or signs change, okay? Because we have here subtract, okay? This is go down the same for for rxt minus 8r squared x plus x squared. Now everything in the second bracket change. Negative 6r x squared, okay, minus 5r x t minus positive 2x squared. What the next step here? Look for the similar term. Here for rxt, here negative 5 rxt. The answer is negative rxt. Also here, as you see, 8r negative 8r square, yes, but here negative 6r, no, not the same. Yes, not the same. Okay, we can, I think here, not the same. Okay, we have here also 6r x square. Okay, just here 2x square, yes, yes, this term and this term are similar. Okay, x square plus 2x square plus 3x squared, and the rest of terms stay the same. We don't have any similar term here. Negative 8r square x, negative 6r x squared. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, let's move the next question. Question 2, how to find the product. As you see, question 7. Okay, maybe take a question 7 here. How to solve this? How to solve this question? I think here you should distribute between, this is the first one times, yes, first one, then second term 1, then the second with second, as you see. 3m times 2m, 3 times 2, 6. M times m, m square. 3 times 3, 9, 9m. Okay, that done. Okay, now the second. 5 times 2m plus 10m. 5 times 3 plus 15 plus 15. This is the answer, but I think you should add the similar term as you see in the middle here. The final answer is, I think, 6m squared. 9m plus 10m equals 19. 19m plus 15. Okay. How the question comes in the final exam? MCQ A, B, C, D. Which one is right? I will give you here, maybe here, 6m squared minus 19m, okay, plus 15. Okay, 6m squared minus 19m minus 15. Okay, 6m squared minus 20m minus 1. Also 6m squared plus 19m plus 15. Which one is right? The last one is right. Be careful about this. Okay, I will give you also another example about a production. Okay, how to product two expression, algebraic expression from Haykal, as you see here. Maybe take another question. Yes. Yes, question 31, as you see here. How to solve this question? I think just here times the first with first, the first second, and also like this. Be careful about this, how distribute, yes, between addition and multiplication. 2 times 2x times x, 2x squared, okay. 2x times 3 plus 6x, excellent. Also here, negative 6 times x, negative 6x, negative 6 times 3, negative 18. Okay, if look to the middle, here we have two expression, or two terms, sorry, 6x minus x equals 0. The final answer is 2x squared minus 18, minus 18. This is the answer. Okay. In the same way, the question comes multiple choice, A, B, C, D. Maybe here, this is 2x squared plus 18, x squared minus 18, x squared plus 9. Also here, 2x squared minus 18. The final answer is D, the same. Okay, be careful about this, how to use the convenience strategy to select how to select correct answer. Let's move also to the next question in Haykal. As you see here, maybe go to question 3 in Haykal. Okay, I will give you question 7, as you see here. Yes. Question 7 here, how to solve. This is a quadratic identity. Okay, I think you should use this formula, a plus b squared. This is equals a squared plus 2a times b squared. This is the, yes. How to solve it? This is equals 2b squared plus 2 times 2b times 3 plus 3 squared. The answer is 2 to power 2, 4, 4b squared plus 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12, 12b plus 3 to power 2, 9. Be careful about this, not 6. Yes, the common mistake, some students say 6. No, 3 to power 2, that's mean 3 times 3 equals 9. This is the final answer. Okay, I will give you also another example how to solve. Yes, question 8. Question 8, as you see here. Yes, question 8. How to solve this question? In the same, maybe you can use this formula. A minus B squared. This is equals A squared minus 2A times B plus B squared. How to solve this equation? I think this is 5t squared minus 2 times 5t times 2 plus 2 squared. This is the answer. Now, 5 to power 2, 25, t squared, negative 2 times 10, negative 5, sorry, negative 2 times 5, 10 times 2, negative 20, negative 20t, okay, plus 2 to power 2, 4. This is the final answer. Be careful about this. Let's move now to the next, I think, question. Question 3. Yes, here. Uh, Question 5. Uh, Question 5 here. Maybe, yes. How to solve this equation? As you see, factorize quadratic trigonometric, trinomials, as you see. How to factorize this? The question here, factor each polynomial if possible. If the polynomial cannot be factored using integer, write prime. Okay, maybe you can use calculator for this equation. Mod 5, 3, A, where is A? This is A. This is B, this is C. A equals 5, B equals 34, and C equals 24. You can use calculator for this equation because the question comes in the final exam as MCQ. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Mod 5.3. Mod 5.3a equals 5. P equals 34. C 24. The answer is x equals, as you see here, x equals negative 4 over 5. Maybe this is equals 5x plus 4. Okay, x equals negative 6, then move to other side. This is equals x plus 6. Okay, maybe some student asking me for this x equals negative 4 over 5, how to write it? 5x plus 4, just times x by 5, as you see, then move this to other side to be becomes 5x plus 4, as you see. Excellent. The answer is, we can write here, the answer is 5x plus 4 times x plus 6. How the question comes in the final exam, I will show you. Multiple choice, MCQs. Yes, A, B, C, D. Okay, the answer is 5x minus 4 times x minus 6, or 5x plus 4x minus 6, or 5x plus 4 times x plus 6. Okay, here x plus 6, here 5x minus 2. Which one is right? I think C. This is the answer. Okay, the correct answer. Be careful about this question. Okay, let's move the next question. For factorizing trinomial, I think maybe select question 28. How to factorize this question or trinomial, as you see here. 5x, yes, 5x squared plus 3x plus 5. Maybe you can use calculator. That's easier for the students. A equals 5, B equals 3, C equals 4. You can use calculator, yes. Yes, mod 5, 3, also mod 5, 3, yes. I think, again, yes, maybe A5, B3, C4. A5, B3, C4. What's the answer? This is, yes, complex number. UCI. Yes, exactly. Imaginary number. Don't continue. The answer is prime. If the answer is prime, we can write this. It's easy now. We cannot find roots in real number. We can write here. We cannot isn't here prime. Prime. Yes. Be careful about this. Maybe some students write the discriminant equals b squared minus 4 times a times c. B here 3 square minus 4 times 5 times 4. This is the answer is 9 minus, I think, 4 times 5, 20 times 4, 80. This is the answer equals negative 71 less than 0. No solution. No solution or in real, yes, number, real numbers. Okay, that's mean, but we have complex number or imaginary number, then this is that mean, yes, prime. Be careful about the question. The question comes in the final exam as a multiple choice. A, B, C, D, like this. We can write here, select here, x equals 1, x equals negative 5, x equals 0, x equals 4. This is prime. Yes, prime, as you see. Yes, yes, prime. Don't forget to write it here. Yes. Or x equals -1, x equals 1. Which one is right? I think choice C is right. Be careful about this. Okay. Let's move the next question. Next question, as you see here, I think um, yes, this is special product. Yes, as you see, question 1, q minus 121. How to factorize this? This is, we can use this formula. This formula, a square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b. The same. This is, we can write, this is q squared minus 11 squared because 121 11 squared. That means q minus 11 times q plus 11. The question comes in the final exam as a multiple choice. A, P, C, D. Like this. Q minus 1, Q plus 1. Or Q minus 11, yes, times Q plus 11. Here, Q minus 2 times Q plus 2. Here, Q plus 3. Q minus 1. Which one is right? I think choice B. That's right. Correct answer. Okay, I will give you another example also here. As you see, question 4. Yes, question 4. In the same way, as you see here, how to solve it? I think this is in the same way equals R minus 3t, okay, times R plus 3t. Yes, that's it. The question comes in the final exam as multiple choice, A, B, C. Okay, this is here, I think, R plus 9t times R minus 90. Okay, or here R minus 3 times R plus 3. Also here R plus 9, sorry, plus 3t times R minus 3t. Which one is right? C. Okay, correct answer. Let's move the next question. Question, I think here. Okay, question 7 in the Haykal. Yes, as you see here. Find the coordinate of vertex and the graph, and also like this. Okay, let's start here. Identify. Okay. In this question, as you see here, maybe identify the axis of symmetry, the vertex, and the y-intercept of each graph. Then describe the in behavior. We have this question, as you see. Yes, this is the function y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 6. Okay, this is what is axis symmetry. Yes, axis symmetry, as you see. Okay, this is the first one. The second one, vertex. 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 Okay, the third, as you see here, y intercept. Okay, um, this is a 3. Also 4 here in behavior. In, yes, in behavior. Okay, let's show you how to solve this equation step by step. Axis symmetry, that's mean x equals negative b over 2a. But where's a, where's b? This is a, this is b. Be careful about this. Is equals negative 8 over 2 times 2. The answer 8 over 4. The answer equals 2. Also here, vertex, the same way. Vertex x equals negative b over 2a is calculated in step 1. This is equals negative 8 over 2 times 2. The answer is 8 over 4. The answer is 2. But how to find y for the vertex? Just substitute in this equation. You can use calculator here. Also shift, clear your calculator. 9, 3, double equal. As you see, 2x squared, okay, minus 8x, okay, plus 6, then calc 2. The answer is negative 2. The answer is negative 2. Y equals negative 2. How to find y? Just substitute in the original equation. Be careful about this. Y-intercept, what does mean that? You should substitute x by 0. Then calculate y. Y equals, if substitute here 0 by x, each x by 0, this is 0, and also this is 0. The final answer is 6. Y equals 6. Or you can use calculator in the same way. Calc 0. The answer is 6. This is, yes, this is y-intercept. Y-intercept here, as you see, 0, 6. That's it. In behavior. In behavior, I think you should imagine how to the graph for this function. This is, as you see, this is y-axis. This is x-axis, as you see. Yes. Okay. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Yes. Here, vertex, the coordinate of vertex 2 minus 2. Okay, maybe you can graph this. Okay, 2, 1, 2. This is 2. Negative 2, 1. This is negative 2. Yes, we can get it. This is the opening up y because a positive 2 more than 0. Opening up, and from 0, 6, this is 6. Okay, this is 0, 6. We can graph, yes, the line of the curve. This is, I think, yes, this is the graph. In behavior, yes, I think when x goes positive or negative infinity, look here, positive or negative. This is negative infinity. This is positive infinity. Where is the graph? Go up, positive infinity. Then we can write here, as you see, y approaches positive infinity. This is the in behavior. Yes. Okay. Okay, I think here Okay, no one joined to the meeting, but the meeting is recording. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching this recording. We'll see you inshallah in the next, okay, um, meeting inshallah. Thank you. Thank you so much.